To fish or not to fish? That is the question. If you want to fish one day and cruise the next, then you'll want to check out rear fish. If cruising is your aim but you need a fishing-equipped space, then choose rear fish, with a wide rear deck for fishing and plenty of room for lounging up front. You'll get super sturdy fishing chairs and a setup complete with fish finder, live well, and rod holders. Tahoe offers an amazing array of options for you to personalize your LTZ fish. With LTZ Fish, you won't have to ask your friends to go fishing. They'll be fishing for an invitation from you. LTZ highlight features include a crew helm stand with a large storage area and cup holder, a silver stereo system featuring high-power Fusion stereo with 4 speakers, deluxe seat frame cladding, 2000 series multicolor Matrix 50 furnishings, and an extended rear deck with telescoping stainless steel ladder.